What's going on, Reshoevn8r Nation? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I am going to be cleaning these Vans Sk8 Hi's that, as you can see, are pretty trash. That midsole looks pretty disgusting, and of course that upper looks gross as well. And the product I'm going to be using today is Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and the sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. So make sure you go check that out right now. So real quick before I get into this cleaning, guys, this shoe has a few different materials on it. This suede and this like kind of canvasy material on the uppers. Now, anytime you come across any dyed suede, you do risk the chance of it bleeding, especially red suede. Red suede tends to bleed a lot. So I'm not sure exactly how this red suede is gonna react. I don't know if it's gonna bleed onto the uppers, the tongue. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but we're just gonna go ahead and find out. So for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the left shoe. I'll put this right one over to the side. Now the first step, guys, is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. We do get a few questions on how to use this thing, so what you're gonna wanna do is take the prongs off, adjust it to size. This one's about a 10.5, so it's gonna be about the 4th one furthest up. I'm gonna go ahead and insert it into the shoe. Click it down. You want to make sure it's all the way down to the bottom, guys, and clicked in. What that's going to go ahead and do is allow you to apply more pressure to the toe box, and as you can see, it helps reshape it as well. So now that that's in, guys, the next step is going to be to remove these laces. So let's do that now. All right, I'm going to put those over to the side. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed and the shoe tree is inserted into the shoe, the next step is to grab your bottle of solution. Just pour a few small squirts into your bowl of water, just like so. And I always like starting with our soft bristle brush. That's gonna allow you to get the most bubbles. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the toe box of this shoe. As I stated in the beginning, I'm not sure how the red dye is gonna react. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure not to oversaturate it, just so I wanna see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't bleed too bad. But as I stated, automatic pink bubbles, because it's bleeding. But that's all right. We want to see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the entire shoe anyways. And we're still going to use the wash because we just want to see. So let's go ahead and continue cleaning. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. All right, I think I am done with those red suede patches. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is grab this brush, kind of clean it off as much as I can. So as you can see, there's no red dye on there. So let's go ahead and begin with the rest of the shoe. All right, guys, so the uppers are looking pretty good. Go ahead and check that out. Do a quick 360. So the red suede did bleed a little bit, as you guys were seeing. It just started coming off onto the brush, which I don't see it on the other parts of the shoe, besides the inside right here, which I think they were already there from the laces, not from the cleaning. So that's the only part where I see it. And as you guys can see over here on the side panel, there are still some deeper stains, which I'll go ahead and hit up afterwards with the all-purpose brush. But overall, they are looking really, really good. So what I'm going to do is hit up that upper real quick with the all-purpose and then move on to the midsoles using the Stiff Bristle Brush. The reason why I'm not using the all-purpose on the midsoles here is because I know it's not painted, and the way that they are dirty, the Stiff Brush will go ahead and get these cleaned up looking nice. So let's do that now. You ready for this? You ready for this? See that right there? Just hit it with the wow. Boom. Ching. That's the power of Reshoevn8r right there, guys. Let's go ahead and finish the midsole. All right, guys, the midsole was looking really, really, really good. I'm actually really impressed. Let me go ahead and just bring this other shoe so I could show you a side-by-side comparison. Go ahead and get that right there, Lee. So you can see, that was just with the Stiff Bristle Brush, guys. Check that out. Looking really, really clean. We're going to put that shoe back now to move on to the outsoles using that same Stiff Bristle Brush. All right, I think I am done with the outsole. Go ahead and just get a quick dry. Want to check that out real quick. May need just a little rinse to get all those suds out, but looks pretty good. Now I know in the beginning of the video I did say I was going to use the sneaker laundry system to get these clean, but I think they look really, really good to where I don't need the laundry system, guys. Like, go ahead and check that out. Went ahead and got all the dirt off from the side panels. Toe box is looking good. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is just set this outside to dry for a while, come back, see how it looks. But the next step before that is to clean the laces. All right, let's go ahead and dry those up real quick. Cool. Go ahead and put those to the side. We're gonna let those dry. We'll go ahead and take one last look over the shoe. I do see a little bit of bleeding right here, guys. Not sure if you guys can see it, but some of the red did spill off into the canvas material here. Not too bad, nothing that I'm gonna worry about. So you can see up here as well. But overall, I am super, super satisfied with the results. Go ahead and check that out. Now let's go ahead and let these dry before we lace them up and see what the final results look like. So let's go. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry, and as you can see, they cleaned up super, super good. Now I did mention that I was gonna initially use the laundry system, but I knew that that red was gonna bleed, so I didn't want to, and I'm glad I did it because these cleaned up really nice with just the brushes. So I'm gonna once again, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys here. Check that out. Boom. So that was looking really good, guys. I'm super impressed. Remember, I was gonna use the advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system, but instead I just used the 3 brushes that came in this pack. I didn't use the detergent, but you can still pick it up at Reshoevn8r.com along with all our other great products. Leave us a comment below, guys. Let us know what you guys thought of this video. Let me know what shoe you would like us to clean next. Don't forget, guys, to sign up for our free Easy giveaway that's going on every single month this year. And remember, if we hit 1 million subscribers, free Red Octobers. Who doesn't want that, right? So make sure you tell your friends, your grandma, your mom, subscribe to us. Free Yeezys, all right, guys? I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll catch you in the next one.